Hey you guys, it's Monica and welcome back to Period 6 Designs. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this Mardi Gras Mambo cup. So you can apply this, you don't have to use this glitter, but you can apply this to kind of anything, and it's a really cool way to customize these little $3 Starbucks cups. So I'm going to just start with the plastic reusable vintage Starbucks cup. Like I said, you can pick these up at Starbucks. They're only $3 and they come with the cup, the lid, and the straw. And so I believe these are 24-ounce cups. I think that's the vintage size. They're 24 ounces. So they're pretty large sized cups. So yeah, that's a really nice feature. And they're only $3. I think $3 is a great price for these cups. I have a couple of them, and like this one was personalized for myself also, and I love it. So I just have a cutout of my name. I use metallic gold because, like I said, I'm going to be doing a Mardi Gras Mambo theme. So I use the colors. And this is the Laissez-les Bon Temps Roulé, which means let the good times roll in French, which is a popular saying in New Orleans. And if you don't know, I used to live there, so that's why I'm kind of like obsessed and infatuated with all things Mardi Gras. It's one of my family's favorite holidays. So I'm just gonna go ahead and place my name on the cup. And like, that's the good thing about, like, I like these little, like, doing like these kind of little projects because it's whatever you want it to be. You could put it on there vertically, horizontally. I chose to put mine on at an angle. So it's kind of whatever you want to do. You can make it down the whole cup, or you can put it, you know, to the side. It's however you want to do it. And so the one thing I always experience when I use the metallic vinyl is that it never wants to come off the contact paper. So don't get frustrated with it and rip it, because the thing about the metallic, it's so like plasticky. I don't know, it's weird. If you ever use metallic, you know what I mean. But like, it's super easy to rip. Way more than like a Oracle 651 vinyl. So when you rip it, you're like screwed. And so I'm just gonna get that on there good. And I did use my glitter dusting brush and a Sharpie to stabilize it on the counter while I was working on it. So that's on there nice and good. And next I'm gonna put the front decal on. And so I could have made this tighter, like around the Starbucks symbol, but it was just so many words that if I were to make it any smaller, you might not be able to read it. So that's why I went with the size that I went with. And you just want to work that on there and get that on there good. And sometimes it's just easier to pull out a little card, a gift card. This is a old card, so no one worry. It's nothing that can be used or anything like that. So, but yeah, sometimes the vinyl is a little harder to stick to these cups. I don't know why, it just is. But just take your time with it, there's no rush. Alright, and once you got all the decals on there, it's going to be time for us to epoxy. So that's the glitter again. It's a purple, gold, and a green Mardi Gras themed colors. Again, you can do this method with any kind of like mixed size chunky glitter, I think is what it looks best with. But yeah, you can do this with any colors of glitter you choose. You don't have to use this. And this is actually my own glitter, so it's not a glitter that I picked up online or anything. So you're essentially going to do this like you would a normal cup. And so you're going to and I forget how many mils I mixed. I maybe mixed 10 mils, part A and part B, so 20 mils total. Maybe not even that much, but I know I didn't mix any more than 20 mils. And so you're just gonna get this on the cup. You don't want to do it too thick, and this is my only layer on the cup. I only did do the one layer of epoxy, just enough to cover the vinyl and something to hold the glitter and help it lay flat. And so you're just gonna get this on there good, let it even out. And so I don't go over the lip and I don't go on the bottom of the cup. So because we're not going to glitter the bottom or anything, because it is such thin plastic and it's not like a thick metal cup where we're going to be doing like multiple layers of resin to even it out, you want to make sure that you don't get any resin on the bottom of the cup. If not, your cup will be like wobbly, and that's not something you want. So just get that on there good. Make sure you're getting good coverage. Coming right up to the bottom of the bottom of the cup, but not going over. And then coming right up to the top lip of the cup, but not going over. And just be careful, especially when you start putting the glitter on, because you have to remember to keep that inner lip at the top clean, because you got to make sure your lid can snap on and secure. So if you fill it with too much glitter, then it won't be able to snap on and create that seal. Alright, so once I get it all on there, I do let it spin for maybe like 2-3 minutes before I start the glitter. And then I just take like my glitter spoon and I just put it on. So I decided to do like a ombre to the center, I guess you could call it, where I have glitter on the bottom and glitter on the top of the cup. I forgot to put down a paper, so I had to go grab some paper to catch some of the glitter. But yeah, just doing it around the bottom and the top of the cup. And you can do this however you want. You can just do it at the bottom. You can just do it at the top. You can just do it around like where your name is or where the decal is on the front. Just freestyle it. I liked how this looked because I kind of liked it coming together to the center, like around the decal. And so something to remember is that the epoxy is still wet, so it's moving. So just make sure you're checking on it every couple of minutes when you are done putting all the glitter on, to make sure the glitter has gone where you want it. Because if not, you'll look down and everything will have glitter. The whole cup will have glitter on it, and that's not your intention. So I had to like go back, about 30 minutes after I started spinning it, and kind of shape it around my decal on the front, because if not, it would have just covered the decal and you wouldn't have been able to see the words. So just make sure you're checking to make sure the glitter is moving how you want it to move and it's in the places you intended it to go. So that's just something to remember when you do use this method, because like I said, if not, the glitter is still moving because it's still new, it's still fresh, it's still wet, so it'll still be moving around the cup and trying to find a home until it solidifies. So just make sure you're always checking to make sure it is what you want it to be and kind of bring your own vision to life. All right, so this is the final cup, you guys. Spinning before I show you the actual final cup. But that's it. This is such an easy project. You get such a beautiful outcome. I love making these. Like I said, they're super cheap to make. They only cost $3, and you can like make like unlimited amounts of these for so affordable. And like I said, you can do so many cute things. So I hope you like it. This is how the final cup looks. Sorry I don't have a video. I've been drinking out of it for like the last 2 months. And so these are just some fresh pictures that I had taken. I didn't want to show you like my used cup. I wanted to show you in its fresh state. So that's the front and that's the back. So that's it, you guys. If you like these kind of videos, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I hope you'll join the Pure 6 Designs family, and I will see you guys in the next one.